Very good afternoon to all of you. Today is Hanuman Jayanti. I wish you all a very happy Hanuman Jayanti to all my dear students. So, are you ready? All have joined. So, it's a very auspicious day. We all should pray to God because right now the situation going on is very, very bad. So, if we all will pray, we will pray our tribute, gratitude towards the God. He will definitely solve the issues which are going on right now in our surroundings. And the condition we all know is very, very poor right now. So, we all should be safe and we should pray for happiness all around us. So, I think majority have joined the class. So, I will start. Okay. So, the slides are visible to all of you. Okay. So see, basic topics we have discussed ki how light will propagate within the cylindrical optical fiber. And there are different coordinate systems. Cartesian coordinate system was there which we used for planar waveguides. Like if I am having a dielectric slab, I will use, it is a dielectric slab, okay? So I will use their Cartesian coordinate system. But here when I am talking about fiber optic communication, I am dealing with cylindrical structure of fiber. So there I will consider the cylindrical polar coordinate systems. Okay. So this we have discussed, and how light will propagate ray theory transmission we have started. In that first topic we discussed what total internal reflection. It was total internal reflection. Okay. In that we studied what is refractive index of a system, what is Snell's law, how the light is refracted and reflected back in total internal reflection, critical angle phi c, then acceptance angle, at what angle your ray should be accepted at air core interface so that the ray will generate or propagate through total internal reflection. This topics we have studied. We have studied some numerical formulas also. Now I will start with the next topic, which is very much important because this parameter will tell you how much light is gathered within the fiber. It is the light gathering capacity of fiber. तो अगर मुझे पता करना है कि कितना लाइट प्रोपोगेट हो रहा है विद इन द ऑप्टिकल फाइबर, what is its gathering capacity, I will first find out the new parameter that is known as numerical aperture. Okay, so what it tells, write down next heading in your copy, numerical aperture. It is the light gathering capacity of optical fiber. Okay, numerical aperture. This is shown in the slides also. I can show you. We have studied. See the slides I will share for your theory purpose. I have shared books. The books topics are very easily explained and my slides are having little bit content of that only. Total internal reflection we have discussed. Acceptance angle we have discussed. See here you can see how the ray is propagating within the optical fiber. Here. At what angle air core interface is very important. After that, core cladding interface is very important. So at what angle your ray should incident on the air core interface, that will decide whether it is a partial internal reflection, total internal reflection, or ray is refracted into the other medium. Okay, and then we are starting with numerical aperture. Na is a dimensionless number, okay, that characterizes the range of angles over which the system can accept or emit light. This is a very beautiful definition of numerical aperture. It is a dimensionless number, okay, because it depends on your refractive index. You can write this definition in your copy. That characterizes the range of angles over which the system can accept or emit light. Okay, students, please write down. And one more definition I can tell you for numerical aperture. पहले ये लिख लो. Finished? See, all the parameters we have discussed till now, we can relate each other. So the relationship between acceptance angle, that is theta A, and refractive indices of three media, including core cladding air, these leads to the definition of numerical aperture. So the relation between these three parameters will define your numerical aperture. Clear? The Na is the sine theta I. This is defined analogously to that for a lens. So here you can see, students, a very useful parameter. We are talking about numerical aperture, okay? Measure of light collecting ability of a fiber. This is my optical fiber. First, I will explain you, then we will draw the diagram. This is my optical fiber. Okay, core has to accept all the light which will propagate throughout the distance of your optical fiber. Okay, light should not move towards the cladding. ठीक है? Larger the magnitude of numerical aperture, greater the amount of light accepted by the fiber from the external source. Here there will be a source of light which will produce the light energy which is to be acquired by the fiber which is connected. Okay, so larger the magnitude of numerical aperture, greater the amount of light accepted by the fiber from the external source. Na varies from 0.12 to 0.2 for single mode fibers, and for multi-mode fibers it varies from 0.20 to 0.50. Students, you all know what is single mode and multi-mode? All of you know? Yes, students? No reply? So acceptance cone is shown, which we have studied. This angle is known as acceptance angle theta A. Okay, and the light will be propagated if it is incident at an angle theta A. Then the inner angle which will be formed within core clad interface will be greater than critical angle phi c, so that total internal reflection will takes place and your light will propagate throughout the length of optical fiber with the help of total internal reflection, and the light will propagate smoothly. There will be no losses or very less amount of attenuation will takes place. Okay, so these parameters are very important. Okay, see, you can see here rays. This is the refraction angle which we have discussed earlier also. Refraction. Okay, what is this? Ni sine theta, N2 sine theta. What is this, student? This relationship is known as yes, student, one of you turn on your mic and please speak. What is this showing this relationship? Snell's law. Very good. Very good. And theta I is the angle of incidence. Theta R is the angle of refraction with respect to the normal. And this is my partial internal reflection. Second, grazing refraction. When I'm getting theta R equals to 90 degree. ठीक है और sin theta r if it is less than 1 less than 90 degree, this is less than 90 degree, it should be less than 1. When sin theta r is 90 degree, it is 1. Is it okay? So sin theta I will get n2 by n1 for this condition. For the second condition, for the first condition I will get sin theta I less than n2 by n1. For second condition, sin theta is equal to n2 by n1. For third condition, sin theta I greater than n2 by n1 when your total internal reflection starts. Clear? ठीक है students? Now we will move towards this diagram. The basics of numerical aperture you have studied. Now draw this diagram. Draw this figure in your copy. Because we will do some mathematical calculations. How to calculate numerical aperture. Draw it. Finish होते ही just message in the chat box. Mark all the parameters. Finished? Okay, very good. So what we are seeing in this diagram, figure shows a light ray. This is my light ray. Air core interface. Okay. Light ray incident on the fiber core at an angle theta 1 to the fiber axis, which is less than the acceptance angle for the fiber theta A. You can see this acceptance angle cone. In this next figure, you can see that theta I is less than theta A. That means the incident ray which is propagating within the fiber will propagate within the fiber is in the acceptance cone. If it is in the acceptance cone, then you can only expect that total internal reflection can takes place. Okay. So this is my theta I, which is less than the acceptance angle for the theta A. You can see here it's a angle for the fiber theta A. Okay. The ray enters the fiber from a point A. The ray enters the fiber at point A. You can see this is my axis of core at A. And this angle, see now here what is happening? It is refraction of ray. core, air core interface, both are having different refractive indices. So we are considering that refractive index of your, see, I will open my whiteboard so that I can write some equations. It's visible now. So N0. N0 is my refractive index for air. Okay, it is a refractive index for air. For air. Clear? And what is the refractive index for core? It is N1. Refractive index of clad is N2. Okay, students? Refractive index of so we have seen three different refractive indices over here. So N0, N1 and N2. Okay. And the fiber core has refractive index N1, which is slightly greater than the refractive index of N2. Okay, assuming the entrance phase at the fiber core to be normal to the axis. So by using Snell's law, ये diagram सबके पास है. Now we have to write some equations. Okay, by using Snell's law, which we have written earlier, I will write N0 sine theta 1, N0 sine theta 1 is equal to N1 sine theta 2. Is it clear? N1 sine theta 2. Okay. So mark this equation as equation number 1. This equation I am writing. Okay. And it is based on this. Okay. So now considering the right angle triangle ABC. This is the triangle ABC. You can see it that here total internal reflection is taking place. So here this is my normal to the axis. Angle is phi, which will be same to both the sides. So here a right angle triangle is formed, that is ABC. So write down, considering a right angle triangle ABC. So what is phi? Phi will be equals to, students write down in your copy, phi will be equal to, phi angle कैसे find करूंगी मैं? Pi by 2 minus theta 2. Okay, pi by 2 minus theta 2, where, next line, where phi greater than phi c, phi greater than phi c at core cladding interface, therefore in next line write down theta 2 is equal to theta 2. What happened to Sakshi? Just wait, I will allow you participants. Yes. Yes, you are in, Sakshi, now. Okay. So write down the equation. Hence, theta 2 is equals to, see, I will show you this equation in the slide. Phi is equal to pi by 2 minus theta 2. Now you can write theta 2 is equals to pi by 2 minus phi. Okay. Next, when phi is greater than the critical angle at core cladding interface, equation 1 becomes, see, please write down this equation in your copy. Equation 1 becomes, क्या हो जाएगा? Change what I did. I am substituting here theta 2. I am substituting. I will use the pen. Just wait. Okay. This theta 2 is replaced by phi. Okay, it is replaced by phi over here. ठीक है? So I will get n1 cos phi. Any doubt, student? Okay. Then moving ahead, using the trigonometric relationship, we all know this very basic equation, sin square phi plus cos square phi is equal to 1. So above equation can be written in the form, what I am doing now, I am substituting cos phi. I will have an equation similar in the form of sine. So cos phi will be equals to under root 1 minus sine square phi. Okay. So I will substitute that equation. So write down next equation is this. N0 sine theta 1 is equal to N1 in bracket 1 minus sine square phi to the power half. Okay. Any doubt? Next, write down, when the limiting case of TIR is considered. Students, what is the limiting case of TIR? When the incident angle is equal to critical angle. Okay, that is my limiting case. Phi is equal to phi c for core cladding. So in this condition, theta 1 becomes the acceptance angle for the fiber theta A. So in this condition, theta 1 becomes the acceptance angle for the fiber, that is theta A. Combining these limiting cases into the above equation, I will get the equation as, see, how you will get this equation? Can anyone tell me? ये डायरेक्ट 2.7 इक्वेशन कैसे आया है? लिमिटिंग केस में साइन की वैल्यू क्या हो जाती है? यस स्टूडेंट, लिमिटिंग केस में क्या हो जाएगा? हमेशा what happened to हमेशा? Okay. Yes students, how I will get this equation from this equation? Who can tell me? I am waiting the response in the chat. How I will get this, or what is the limiting condition? अभी हमने देखा था sin phi c will change. How it will change? Sin phi c will be equal to n2 upon n1, where I am talking about limiting condition. So what will happen? Sin phi c will be equal to n2 upon n1. Okay. at limiting condition. तो अब मैं क्या करूंगी, साइन स्क्वायर फाइव को आई विल सब्स्टिट्यूट दिस n2 square upon n1 square, and then I will open this bracket, and at last I will get this kind of equation. Clear, student? So after simplifying this, I will get n0 sine theta a. Why I am taking it as theta a? It was already marked theta 1, but I am considering a limiting case. So there theta 1 changes to theta a, and at core clad interface, the phi angle changes to critical angle phi c. So at phi c, sine square phi is equal to n2 upon n1. This we have seen. So any doubt? So I have written equation number 2.7 in your copy. Yes or no, students? Okay, anything if you are not getting in between, please you can ask query. So now I will define numerical aperture. What I have told you earlier, that Na is a light gathering capacity, okay, in simple words, which everyone can understand. But mathematically, it relays all the important optical fiber parameters in one equation. Okay, so write down Na is hence defined as, numerical aperture is hence defined as, you can write this equation, Na is equal to n0 sine theta a, or which is equal to ठीक है. So it is a light gathering capacity. And what is n0? Refractive index of air, which is always equal to 1. N0 is always unity. So my equation will be simply Na is equal to sine theta a. If my air medium is changed, then I have to use that n0. Okay. It is simply equal to sine theta a. It may also be noted that incident meridional rays over the range 0 to theta a will be propagated within the fiber. Clear? So the Na gives in terms of refractive index difference del. One more definition of Na is in terms of relative refractive index difference del. Okay, between the core and cladding, which is defined as, now you can write this equation, del. Na is given in terms of del, which is relative refractive index difference. तो इंडेक्स डिफरेंस किसका होगा, n1 और n2 का. So del is defined like this, and now I will define numerical aperture in terms of del. So this is my equation 2.10. In numerical they can provide you del also. ठीक है. Finished? Is it okay? So total numerical aperture we have started. This was a diagram. Basics we have seen from the presentations. How we are finding Na parameter we have discussed. Na in terms of del also we have discussed. Okay. So this finishes your numerical aperture topic, and it's very easy if it is asked in exam also. And now I will just tell you that this ray theory model is a partial description of light ray. It is describe the direction of wave component in the fiber, but does not consider wave interference between such component. See, wave interference doesn't happen. हमने उसको consider नहीं किया. When interference phenomenon is considered, then only rays with certain discrete number of guided modes will propagate in the fiber core. See, in electromagnetic field, I think you have studied modes, fundamental modes, degenerated modes, how the ray or wave propagates within the planar waveguides, cylindrical waveguides. So it depends on the modes of propagation. So the fiber will only support, this fiber will only support a discrete number of guided modes. This becomes critical in small core diameter fiber, and we always know that core diameter is very small. Okay, so it won't support all the guided modes. It will only support one or a few modes which will be propagating within the optical fiber. Hence, electromagnetic mode theory must be applied in these cases. We all know that fiber core diameters are as small as 8 micrometer. Okay, students. So now we will simplify one numerical. Write down this numerical. Students, write down this numerical from the screen. And start simplifying. It's a very easy. Just what you have to find. Who got this numerical? क्या क्या पैरामीटर्स फाइंड करने प्लीज मेंशन इन द चैट बॉक्स. Phi C, very good. Na and acceptance angle, that is theta m. Okay. So can you find this? So do it. Then we will verify the answers. I will open the board. Actually, to use this board is very difficult. So we have to first find phi C. Okay. What is the value of phi C? Formula of phi C is पता है सबको phi C का formula? Sin phi C is equals to n2 upon n1. Okay, n2 n1 are given to you. So phi C is coming out to be 78.5 degree. Very good. Then numerical aperture you have to find Na.
17.36 मैम.
NA
हाँ मैम.
नहीं, NA तो कम आ रहा है ना बेटा. इट इज 0.3.
17.36.
न्यूमेरिकल अपर्चर
Yes मैम.
0.30. Okay, very good. Then third parameter you have to find is theta A. See, I have a good writing, but right now I can't help myself. Theta A coming out to be very good, sine inverse NA. That is coming out to be 17.4 degree. Very easy numerical to understand the basic concept. See students, now I will tell you one very important definition which is not mentioned in the books properly, but it is generally used in the numerical. So if it is here, I will tell you. Write down one concept in your copy. For small angles, the solid acceptance angle in air I think all of you have finished that numerical. So write down for small angles, the solid acceptance angle in air. See, it is shown over here. This angle. This you have to write. This is given by this symbol is equal to pi theta A square. Approximately equals to, and exactly it is equal to pi sine square theta A. Clear? Because in some numericals it will happen that the angle of acceptance is very, very small. Okay, it's a single mode fiber. Then I have to use this formula to calculate the acceptance angle. Okay, for small angles, the solid acceptance angle in air is given by this equation. Okay, so now we will move towards the next numerical. ये पहला न्यूमेरिकल तो सबका कंप्लीट हो गया होगा, आई थिंक. We have completed with the first numerical. All of you completed. Okay. So write down next numerical. Write down, it is mentioned on the screen, it is there. Finished writing this? A typical relative refractive index difference for an optical fiber design for long distance transmission is 1%. Okay, estimate the NA and the solid acceptance angle in air for the fiber when the core index is 1.46. Further, calculate the critical angle at the core cladding interface within the fiber. It may be assumed that the concepts of geometric optics hold for the fiber. So now you have to calculate different parameters, but what is given in this numerical? क्या क्या गिवन पैरामीटर्स है? कैन यू टेल मी what are the given parameters? Yes students, please mention in the chat box given parameters क्या क्या है इस न्यूमेरिकल में. Del, that is a triangle symbol. Okay, that is 1% and n1 is given. Okay, now find out the Na. It's very easy. Very good. अब Na find करना है numerical aperture. In terms of del we have to find, and we know the formulae. Na is equal to, so what is the value of Na? Please, जिसका भी हो गया हो, write down in the chat box. Tell me the value of Na, then we will continue in the next class. N1, that is 1.46 into फॉर्मूला. अच्छे से लिखो बेटा. आई थिंक फॉर्मूला गलत लिखा है क्या? Yes others, what is your answer? See, this is the formula. 2 del to the power half है. और साक्षी, तुमने फॉर्मूला गलत लिखा है साक्षी, या कैलकुलेशन गलत सही कर दियो. आई डोंट नो. राइट. n1 2 del to the power half. Perfect. All of you got Na? Then I have to find solid acceptance angle. In previous numerical, I have to just find the acceptance angle in air. Okay. Now in next numerical, I have to find solid acceptance angle. So I have to change the formula. The formula which I have given you just now, you have to use that. Na to mera aa gaya hai. It is on the screen. That is 0.21. Now for solid acceptance angle, we have written the formula. Find out that psi. Xi को find करो. For small angle, the solid acceptance angle is given by, find out. Then I will show you the answer. And I think time will be over within 1 to 2 minutes are left. So complete this numerical. If you have any doubt, we'll discuss in the next class. And I think this numerical is very easy. So what is the formula we all know? Solid acceptance angle कितना आया है students? So this is the homework. Remaining part is the homework to you all. So we will finish up with the class. Any doubts you want to ask? Any doubts, students? So you will do this work at your home as a homework. So we'll continue in the next lecture. Goodbye, students. Take care.